Hey, what's going on, guys? So what we have in for repair today is a Surface Pro 3. What's wrong with it is the glass. We're going to be replacing the glass on this. You can see the glass lifting off right here a little bit. So let's go ahead and let's get into that video. All right, so we did go ahead and we have removed all the adhesive from around the edge, and the screen can kind of lift out now like that. So you can see that it's ready to be lifted out. So let's go ahead and let's remove the rest of the adhesive around the edge of this, and let's install the new screen.